Hello, and welcome to SpeakFlow English. My name is Ethan, and I'm happy you're here today. In this episode, we're going to talk about something very simple, but very useful: our daily routines, what we do in the morning, during the day, and at night. If you're just starting to learn English, don't worry. I'll speak slowly and clearly. You can listen, repeat, and shadow my voice. This lesson will help you understand common daily actions and use them in real life. By the end, you'll be able to describe your own routine in English. Let's get started. Morning routine. Every day begins with the morning, and the morning gives us many chances to use English words and phrases. Let's imagine a normal weekday. The sun is coming up, birds are singing, and your alarm rings. It's time to wake up. To wake up means to stop sleeping and open your eyes. You're not dreaming anymore. You are awake. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes we wake up but stay in bed for a few minutes. That's okay. It's nice to rest a little before we start our day. After waking up, we get up. To get up means to leave the bed. Put your feet on the floor and stand up. Repeat after me. I get up at 7:15. After we get up, many people go to the bathroom. We wash our face, brush our teeth, and sometimes take a shower. In British English, we say, have a shower. In American English, we say, take a shower. Both mean the same thing. You wash your whole body with water. Repeat after me. I take a shower every morning. When you finish your shower, you dry yourself with a towel, and then you get dressed. That means you put on your clothes. Some people also comb their hair or brush their hair before leaving the house. Repeat after me. I get dressed and brush my hair. Now it's time for breakfast. We often say, have breakfast or eat breakfast. Both are okay. Breakfast can be simple: some fruit, toast, or maybe coffee. Repeat after me. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. After breakfast, you might check your phone, read the news, or prepare for work. Every person's morning is a little different. Let's listen to a short example. I wake up at 7. I get up and take a shower. I get dressed, have breakfast, and then go to work. It's simple, right? These small sentences describe a big part of your life. Now let's learn a few more expressions for the morning. When you finish sleeping, you can also say, I get out of bed. It's the same as get up. If you're feeling tired, you can say, I need a coffee to wake up. If you clean your face and teeth, you can say, I wash my face and brush my teeth. If you prepare food in the morning, you can say, I make breakfast for my family. Repeat after me. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I make breakfast for my family. Good job. You're already describing your morning like a native speaker. Now, let's move to the next part of the day. Work time or study time. At work, during the day. After the morning comes the busy part of the day. Many people go to work and students go to school. When you leave your home, you can use these expressions. You can say, I go to work by bus, or I walk to work, or I drive to work. Repeat after me. I go to work by bus. I walk to work. I drive to work. If you study, you can say, I go to school every morning. When you arrive at work, you can say, I start work at 9 o'clock. At the beginning of the day, you might turn on your computer, check your emails, or talk to your colleagues. Repeat after me. I start work at 9 o'clock. I turn on my computer and check my emails. During the day, we do many things. We read, write, send messages, and make phone calls. We also eat lunch. The verb we use is have lunch. Repeat after me. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Maybe you eat with your friends. I have lunch with my friends. Or with a colleague. I have lunch with my colleague. In the afternoon, we often feel a little tired. You can say, I feel tired after lunch. When we continue working, we can use verbs like send emails, attend meetings, or help customers. Repeat after me. I attend a meeting at 3 o'clock. I help customers every day. If you are a student, you might say, I study English in the afternoon, or I do my homework after school. After a long day, we all need a break. You can say, I take a break at 4 o'clock. When work finishes, we use the phrase finish work or get off work. They both mean the same thing. Your job for the day is done. Repeat after me. I finish work at 5:30. I get off work at 5:30. After work, some people go to the gym, do the shopping, or meet friends. In British English, we usually say do the shopping when we talk about buying food and home items, things we need every week. In American English, people often say go shopping, especially when they buy clothes or fun things. Repeat after me. I go shopping on my way home. I do the shopping every Saturday. Good job! You're learning to describe your day step by step. Now, let's move to the final part of the day, the evening routine. That's where we relax, eat dinner, and prepare for tomorrow. Evening routine. After a long day, the evening finally arrives. It's time to slow down, relax, and enjoy the end of the day. Many people start their evening by going home. We say, go home, not go to home. Repeat after me. I go home at 6 o'clock. When you arrive, you might take off your shoes and sit down for a few minutes. You can also say, I relax on the sofa. Then it's time to have dinner. In British English, we often say, have dinner or have supper. In American English, people usually say, have dinner or eat dinner. Repeat after me. I have dinner with my family. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Dinner is a great moment to talk with your family or friends. You can say, how was your day? Or, what did you do today? After dinner, we often do small things around the house. Maybe you wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, or take out the trash. In British English, we say take out the rubbish. In American English, people say take out the trash. Repeat after me. I wash the dishes after dinner. When everything is clean, you can relax again. Maybe you watch TV, read a book, or listen to music. Repeat after me. I watch TV in the evening. I read a book before bed. Some people also take a shower in the evening, especially after exercise or on a hot day. Others prefer to take one in the morning. Both are correct. You can say, I take a shower before bed. After that, it's time to prepare for sleep. We use two common expressions, go to bed and go to sleep. To go to bed means you lie down in your bed, maybe to read or rest. You are not sleeping yet. To go to sleep means you actually close your eyes and start sleeping. Repeat after me. I go to bed at 10:30. I go to sleep at 11. If you fall asleep quickly, you can say I fall asleep quickly. If not, you can say I can't sleep or I stay awake. Sometimes we don't go to sleep early because we're busy or watching something. When that happens, we say have a late night. Repeat after me. I had a late night yesterday. I'll go to bed early tonight. Before you sleep, you can also say good night or sleep well. It's a friendly and polite way to end the day. Recap and challenge. Now, let's review what we learned today. We talked about three parts of the day: morning, daytime, and evening. In the morning, we wake up, get up, wash our face, brush our teeth, take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast. During the day, we go to work or school, start work, check emails, have lunch, take a break, finish work, and go home. In the evening, we have dinner, wash the dishes, relax, watch TV, go to bed, and finally go to sleep. You can now describe your whole day in simple English. Let's do a short challenge together. I'll say the sentence in English. Then you repeat it after me. Ready? Let's go. I wake up at 7. I get up and take a shower. I have breakfast at 8. I go to work by bus. I have lunch with my friends. I finish work at 5:30. I go to the gym after work. I have dinner at 7. I watch TV and relax. I go to bed at 10:30. Excellent job. You've just described a full daily routine in English. Now, try to make your own version. Say it out loud or record yourself speaking. Use the same verbs and change the times. For example, I wake up at 6:30. I go to school at 8. I do my homework in the evening. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Motivation. Before we finish, remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice a little every day. When you speak about your daily routine, you're using real English, the kind of English you need every day. Listen again, repeat, shadow, and try to use these phrases in your own life. You can use them when you talk to friends, write in your journal, or even think in English. If you do this a few minutes every day, your English will grow naturally, step by step. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep smiling, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode of SpeakFlow English. Goodbye for now, and sleep well.